This is not the internet. This is the metaverse. Hello pioneers. Well, it's been a while since I've made a video, and that's because I really just want to make positive videos about the Pi network, and over the last 5 months there hasn't really been a lot of positive things to report on. Case in point is this moderator manifesto that came out. And things got so bad that they felt the need to actually write something like this. And this culminated in them going on strike by removing their moderator icon, and some of the mods even quit. So things were getting pretty bad. Things were getting pretty tiring, and it's the lack of communication from the Pi core team that's really the problem here. You had other people requesting people to switch off their ads, and I must admit, I did it myself, and I still haven't turned on ads. So, there's little things we can do to accommodate the change. One of the things that they were requesting was the need for a roadmap. And I've been requesting this for quite some time, I think, this is probably the only project that doesn't really have a clear roadmap. So, Pi core team, to their credit, they listen to us, and they're coming out with a roadmap, which is great. There's a version 1 and version 2 roadmap, and in October, true to form, they actually gave us the roadmap, or the version 1. And, there was nothing really spectacular in this, and to be honest, this is what we expected, but, it's the first roadmap I've seen that tells a history and not the future plans, so, but, it's something, and, this is proof positive that in December, we're going to get the version 2 of the roadmap. So that's something to look forward to. With the version 2 roadmap, though, it's important to note that there's no way they're going to give us a timeline for open mainnet. They've clearly stated this, and that's to be expected. For some reason they don't want to tell us this. That's fine. That's up to them. And the thing that I'm a bit concerned about, though, is that we're only going to see milestones and not actual timelines at all, for anything on there. So we could just end up having all these milestones that they're going to hit, but no actual, Q1 2024 or, Q3 23, so, but hopefully we do, so, it's something to look forward to. On a positive note, though, it's, we've had great news, so we've had the PyChain More guys come out with their NFT platform, and that's what we're going to be covering here. So this is the subject for today, is the long-awaited release really, of the NFT platform by PyChain More. This started with, I've had a big interest in this for a long time, back as far as 2021 when I didn't mint them, I created these free NFTs for Pi influencers. They were quite happy to get them, and I'm going to mint those for free for those people. After that, though, when we started to get, mainnet was released, and we started to get our coins on and all that, I was actually selling NFTs, and this is the very first one that I sold. And after that, I sold about 50 of them, So the only problem is that the people that bought these off of me haven't got their KYC or mainnet coins yet, so they can't actually get them. But once they get it, then I'll mint those for those people. And here's the platform, it's the same as it's always looked, it's just that now it's on mainnet. You type in pinft.art without the www in front, which gives you the mainnet version, and you get on the platform. You can go over to here to your profile, check your account balance, things like that. There's a certification here, but you need something like 30 PCM tokens, but I'm not really sure how they're going to be distributed. I actually talked to Edwin, from the CEO from PCM, quite a lot, and I actually forgot to ask him about this, so I'm not sure what this is about. Then you can edit your profile, put your details in here. It's all pretty standard stuff. Then you can view your NFTs here, and if you go to created here and over to series, then if you've got a series of collections, then you can view your NFTs under there. Now we'll look at actually creating an NFT. It's a very simple process. You get this screen, fill in all the details, and you're pretty well good to go. The category, that's still in Chinese here. They're going to change this. I talked to Edwin about this. They just haven't changed it yet. But if you just select the first one, that one's art, right? So that's pretty standard, and that's what I've been doing under. Here we have royalties. This is the whole point, well, it's one of the best features of Web 3.0, and that's where original creators will get paid royalties on their creations forever, and it's a great thing, because if things go up in price, that creator still needs to get rewarded, I think, so this is a great thing of Web 3.0. Here's where you can select your series. If you haven't got a series created yet, you can just type in here and create one. Otherwise, just select the one that you want, and then you can mint your NFT. It's very simple as that. And nice little process, great GUI. User interface. Everything's really, really nice here. NFTs has been a great success for me. And thanks for everyone that's been purchasing the NFTs. I really, really appreciate it. And it's a great way to show the platform that it actually works well, But yeah, I'm actually currently leading the creator income ranking there with Jingjo, and I've also got the leading the series list as well with the Metacars series. And in third place there, you'll see that the Pygenesis collection is also sitting nicely. So this has been a great success. So I'm really, really thankful and happy for it. To finish off the video, I'd just like to give a plug out to, I'm still trying to get funding for Pi Metaverse. So if you're interested in doing this, let me know. Just drop me a DM on X. I'm at IQ_Metaverse. We're not just doing metaverse. This is banking as well. We're doing, we release a token as well. So there's tokens to be released here. You see the other platforms releasing tokens, and I always keep on saying that Everdome, they've got a market cap of $8 billion, and they only got 90,000 wallets, whereas Pi Network, they got 50 million wallets. So you can do the math on that. This is the funding that I'm doing for equity return, and so if you're a high net worth individual and this interests you, right into blockchain and all the technologies, and metaverse is going to replace the internet, so this is where you can get in on the ground floor. So let me know if you're interested. To go along with that though, if you don't know about Pi Network, it's all through pop culture. You got movies called Life of Pi, all this, and if you follow me, you know what I think about coincidences. So Pi is going to be huge. Pi is going to be and with 50 million people, it is the #1 blockchain. It's as simple as that. Also with our leaders, we've got Cfan and Nicholas Kourkalis. But as I was telling a guy on X the other day, the chances of a Stanford professor with a PhD in distributed computing, when you mirror and flip upside down his name, spells phonetically Satoshi N, being a coincidence, is 0. Right? So as I always say, nothing is a coincidence.